Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, the reason why I'm giving this out is because I bought Sofrito, but I didn't make it. This is originally from the store. They had a special, this big one. I don't know how many ounces it is, but it's pretty big. And it was $2 for $5. I think it was a bargain. So I decided to buy it. But I'm gonna add my own special ingredients that I like it to actually feel the taste of it. Okay, I made puree garlic right here. I'm gonna use part of this, probably half of it. And later on I buy more garlic and I do the puree again. Because the puree is very good, you don't have to be chopping garlic every single day. You got it already, like in a puree, you take a spoon, you pour it in there, and you're done with it. So that's how I like to do my cooking. Here I have oregano, Cuban oreganos. They are big leaves. Let me see if I could take. They're small now because I cut them up, but they're very big leaves. I just chop them up. And I got onions right there. So I got the onions, the Cuban oregano, and my garlic. And here, this is the most thing that I smell right here at this moment. I wish you could smell it. It smells delicious. This is from my garden. This is what they call culantro. Culantro, recao, and they call it corianders in English. But corianders is various names. I forgot what they call it. I don't know, it's tail coriander, something like that. But anyway, I chop it up in pieces. This is all gonna go together in the blender. All this, and it's gonna go in here. Plus I'm gonna give some to my daughter because I told her not to buy no Sofrito. I'm gonna make hers with less coriander because she don't like coriander. I love corianders. I got my front there full of corianders and seeds. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna show you the end part. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay people, I finished. This one's for my daughter. I'm trying to touch it, I couldn't touch it. Okay, this is for my daughter. And as you see, I didn't take much because I put ingredients from the house, plus my culantro, my corianders. I put them in here. I put plenty of it. Not too much on my daughter because she don't like them too much, but in ours, in mine, I put a whole bunch. So, this is the ending part, and the great thing is it has peppers. They have so much things that all you gotta do is put a spoonful, and you got everything. You don't have to chop the onions, chop the peppers, chop this, chop that, chop the garlic, none of that. And you just got it there, one spoonful or two. You could put how much you want to put. And you have the Sofrito that does everything for you. So saying this, God bless you all, and I hope you enjoyed I'm going like this. I hope you enjoyed the video. So God bless you all. Until the next time. Bye bye.